Hello, my name is Collin Butler. I'm a senior digital design engineer with IntelliProp. Today I'll be covering an overview of the NVMe Host Accelerator IP core, including where it can be used, some of the key features, and the block diagram. I'll then show the hardware setup for the reference design and run a brief demo. Finally, I will review the performance for the demo. IntelliProp's NVMe Host Accelerator IP provides a simplified, high-bandwidth interface to industry-standard NVMe storage devices. The IntelliProp NVMe Host Accelerator IP core provides a small footprint processor register interface, or RTL state machine interface, for data movement between a user-defined data buffer and an NVMe endpoint. The NVMe Host Accelerator IP core can be used in any high-speed data acquisition application for sensors, industrial cameras, or drones, NVMe bridging or switches, or any other embedded application requiring non-volatile storage. Here we have the block diagram for the NVMe Host Accelerator IP core. The diagram shows the command interface and data interface. It also outlines the flow for command submission, data transfers, and command completion. Some of the key features of the IP include fully compliant to the latest NVMe industry specification, automated initialization process with the PCIe hard block, automated command submission and completion, scalable I/O queue depth and number of queues, scalable data buffer size, processor or state machine driven interface, and submission queue command context error prevention. Here we have the NVMe Host Accelerator IP core running on the Intel PSG Arria10 GX FPGA Development Kit and an NVMe SSD. This design is using the hardware interface to the IP core. Here we have a graph showing the write and read performance of the NVMe Host Accelerator IP core. As you can see, write performance peaks at about 2300 megabytes per second, and read performance peaks at about 3200 megabytes per second. These numbers are in line with the SSD manufacturer's stated performance metrics. In summary, we outlined some of the features and benefits of the NVMe Host Accelerator IP core and demonstrated the performance capabilities of the IP. Some of the key features of the IP include high throughput hardware acceleration, simple user interface for easy system integration and reduced development time, and a scalable and configurable design for any application. For more information, you can contact us by phone, email, or visit our website. Thank you for watching.